Hi everyone, welcome to another video. What if I could use AI to automatically generate content, summarize data, or even automate reports inside Google Sheets? Well, today I'm going to show you how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets to create an AI-powered spreadsheet automation. Let's dive in. If you work with data or automation or any kind of content, this tutorial is for you. We will set up a Google Sheet integration with the ChatGPT's API to perform AI-powered tasks such as generating AI-written content, summarizing text inside Google Sheets, and automating responses and analyzing data. So let's kick off. So first, we want to create an empty Google Sheet in Google Drive. So as you can see, I've already created this spreadsheet called ChatGPT example. So you can see that it's completely empty right now. So that's step number one. Then step number two is to generate an API key from the OpenAI API. So if you go to platform.openai.com and you can log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to API keys, then click on this button, create new, give it some name, select the project. In this case, it's going to be the default project. And finally, you click on create secret key. I've already created a new secret key for the purpose of this video, so I don't need to do that again. And yeah, so once you have created a new key, make sure that you copy this somewhere and you save it because we're going to need this in the next step. And what is the next step? So you go back to your Google Sheet and you click on extensions, and then from here you select application script. So once you click on this, it's going to take you to this window, and as you can see here, we have a dummy function called my function that doesn't do anything currently. And what we want to do in here is basically we want to create the actual integration with ChatGPT. So how do we do this? So I've already written a function that connects to ChatGPT. It takes the input data that you provide in a given cell from Google Sheets, and then it sends that data to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT returns a response, and then we show this response in a given cell in Excel or Google Sheets. So yeah, so I'm not going to go through many details with regards to this function, but basically what you need to do is you need to change this API key and set it to the API key which you're going to create in your account. So don't try and copy this key because it will be invalid. I'm going to deactivate it at the end of this video. So now that we have defined the function, so what we need to do next is we need to test it to ensure that it actually works. So I've already copied this function. Now let's go back to our Google Sheet and see if this function actually works. So what you do is you say equals get AI response, and then we can say what is the day today. Let's see if ChatGPT knows this. Yeah, there you go. So ChatGPT said that today is Friday. Yeah, that's correct. And now let's do something more useful with data and see how ChatGPT behaves. So let's remove this. I have prepared some messy address data, which we're going to basically analyze and see how we can take advantage of it. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of addresses in the first column, and then in the second and the third column, we've got state abbreviation and zip code. If we want to extract some of the information from the address, we can do that using ChatGPT. So how can we do this? I've already basically written a formula which we can use for this. And what we're doing here is we're saying get AI response, which is the function that we defined just a moment ago. And then we're saying, okay, extract the state abbreviation from cell A2 and return only the abbreviation with no other explanation. This is to make sure that ChatGPT doesn't return any unnecessary text and data that we don't care about. So once we have this, we just press enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT successfully extracted the state. So if we want to apply the same formula to the other rows, we can just drag this. And as you can see, it successfully extracted the state for each individual address. We can do exactly the same exercise for the zip code. We just need to change the prompt. So there you go. So in this case, we say extract the zip code from cell A2, return only the zip code with no other explanation. If we hit enter, you can see that it successfully extracted the zip code. Let's apply this to all the data that we have in this sheet. And yeah, as you can see, we have successfully extracted all the data. What else can we do? I guess we can ask ChatGPT to basically give us some ideas about content. So give me ideas for my Instagram profile. And let's see what it comes back with. So there you go. So yeah, in this video, we've demonstrated how we can quickly and easily integrate the ChatGPT's API into Google Sheets without having to basically scroll to different pages, like move over and copy and paste data from one place to another. You basically have a custom formula which you can call in Google Drive, and then it will automatically connect to ChatGPT. And yeah, so smash the like button if you found this helpful. Comment down below and let me know what kind of other tutorials you might be interested in, or if you need any help with any automations, AI, or any Python questions that you might have. Subscribe and hit the bell for more information and for more tutorials which are going to be on the way. If you want to see the actual code behind this formula, so what you need to do is you can subscribe to my free community on School. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. And once you're in the community, you will get access to all of my free templates and blueprints. This includes pre-made Python scripts for sending emails, web scraping, and many other useful functionality that is going to be very helpful for someone who is just starting out. And yeah, you can also get to talk to other members and get to learn together. And thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next one.